how to turn on or turn off Use Wallpapers in SmartThings app on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon in the quick settings panel. In here, we scroll down and then tap on connected devices. Now scroll down to the bottom and tap on SmartThings. Next, tap on the menu button down here at the bottom. Then tap on the settings icon at the top right. Then go down and tap on Use Wallpapers. So tap on it to switch it off. And you can see that when I turn off, there's no wallpaper here. If I switch it on, then we will have a wallpaper. So I turn on, and then I will have a wallpaper in my favorites. So that's the wallpaper right there. So I can go in here and turn it off. And I go back to my favorites. So SmartThings in favorites. So the wallpaper has been removed. So I turn on Use Wallpaper for now. And then if I go to my favorites, to manage the wallpaper, you can tap on the menu, the More Options button at the top. Then tap on Manage Location or Members. In here, Location Wallpaper, so you tap on that. And then you can choose a wallpaper color, a pre-built wallpaper color, or you can use one from your gallery. So if you go back in here and tap on Manage Locations or Members, we can use the camera or we can use the gallery and select a picture from the gallery. And here I can choose to blur the background or not. And then tap on Saved, then tap on the back key, and that is my wallpaper for this location only. So the wallpaper will be based on the location. So if I change my location, then I have a different wallpaper. And so that's it. So you can go in here and then turn it off. So no wallpaper will apply when you turn off Use Wallpaper. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.